In this video, I'm going to talk about German evolutionary biologist August Weismann. Weismann is famous for his germplasm theory. August Weismann was born on January 17 in Frankfurt, Germany, to an upper middle class family. At his childhood, he studied music, particularly the works of Beethoven, and he studied nature, from which he collected butterflies. Weismann was very interested in this kind of research. He noted diverse patterns and colors of butterfly. He collected information about them. That later helped him in the research on the development and evolution of butterflies and caterpillars. This slide is about Weismann's 6 classical studies, which is about the embryonic and post-embryonic development and metamorphosis of insects. Weismann started his work by studying insect metamorphosis and hydrozoa cell. Through the study of hydrozoa, Weismann published 4 papers between 1880 and 1882. Later, his eyesight was gradually becoming weak, which didn't allow him to do microscopic work, so he turned to do more theoretical problems connected to heredity and reproduction. The picture shown here is the title page of the book Essays upon Heredity and Kindred Biological Problem. This was actually a paper read at the meeting of Association of German Naturalists. August Weismann is the founder of germplasm theory. This theory was based on the concept that living bodies are formed of 2 different kinds of material, germplasm and somatoplasm. Germplasm is actually the protoplasm of germ cell such as sperms and ova, and the somatoplasm is the protoplasm of somatic or body cell. Germplasm theory states that heritable information is transmitted only by germ cell and not by somatic cell. This theory is contrary to Lamarckism. Weismann proves that germplasm is responsible for the development of reproductive parts and remains in the organism. To prove that somatic cell didn't affect the inheritance of offspring, Weismann conducted an experiment with mice, where the tails of 68 mice were artificially removed. Out of 901 mice over 5 generations, not a single one was born without a tail or even abnormalities like a shorter tail. This finally disproved Lamarck's theory. In 1890, Weismann was the first one to show the importance of meiosis when it comes to inheritance. He pointed out that it is necessary for one diploid cell to transform to 4 haploid cells. Weismann accepted natural selection and evolution as an important factor during his work with inheritance. He disproved Lamarck's theory and made a way for future discovery through his germplasm work on meiosis and inheritance.